Good day, sir. I will discuss to you the formula and the answers of the reorder point and economic order quantity. If the Sizzlers Filipino Dino expected usage of mineral water is 44.54 Oz, the anticipated delivery is 20 to 30 days. Place the order inventory on March 3, 2023. When will the company place the order? When it will arrive, and what are the safety stock dates? Now I will show to you the formula and the answer. The formula is ROP equals to average daily usage times lead time bracket plus safety stock. Now ROP equals to 44.54 Oz. That is our daily usage times the 20 to 30 days, the lead time, and bracket plus 44.54 watt and times 10. 44.54 Oz times 20 days plus 44.54 times 10. Why it is 20 days? Because it is the minimum. It is the minimum order lead time. Now, times the 44.54 to 20 days is equals to 890.8 plus the 44.54 times 10 is equals to 445.4. Now, the ROP is equals to 1,336.2. Place the order will be on March 3, 2023. Lead time will be 20 to 30 days. Order will arrive on March 23, 2023. Days minimum order lead time is on March 23, 2023. And the safety stock dates on April 2, 2023, 10 days. Now we will move on to economic order quantity or EOQ. Numbers of bottles of ketchup required annually is 7,500. Cost of placing an order is $87,250. Annual carrying cost per year bottle of inventory is $0.50. Now the EOQ, square root of 2 times O times N divided by C. Square root of 2 times $87,250 times 7,500 bottles of ketchup divided by $0.50. Now the answer of EOQ is equals to 1,618 bottles of ketchup. B. Numbers of order per year. HO equals N divided by EOQ. HO equals 7,500 bottles of ketchup divided by 1,618 bottles of ketchup. Now the answer of numbers of orders is equals to 5 orders. C. Total ordering cost per year. TOC equals to HO times OC. 1,618 bottles times $0.50, and the answer of TOC is equals to $809. D. Average of inventory. AI equals EOQ divided by 2. AI equals 1,618 bottles of ketchup divided by 2. AI, now the answer of average inventory is 809 bottles of ketchup. E. Total carrying cost per year. TCC equals to AI times CC. TCC equals 809 bottles of ketchup times $0.50. TCC, now the answer of total carrying cost per year is $405. Now the total cost. TC equals TOC plus TCC. TC equals $809 plus $809. Now the answer of total cost is equals to $1,618. That's all. Thank you.